Have you ever thought about how you could save money fast, even when your income is low? It might seem impossible, but trust me, it's not. With the right mindset and strategy, saving money on a limited income can become a reality. Whether you need to save $5,000, $8,000, or even more, this video will guide you through 10 easy-to-follow tips to help you save money quickly. Let's dive into these tips and start your journey toward financial freedom. Tip 1. Set a clear savings goal. Before you even start thinking about saving money, it's important to set a clear, achievable goal. Ask yourself, how much do I need to save and by when? For example, if your goal is to save $8,000 in 1 year, break it down to make it more manageable. This means saving around $667 each month. When you set a goal, it becomes much easier to stay motivated. Imagine the excitement you'll feel as you hit those monthly targets and work toward your ultimate goal. By visualizing the end result, you'll stay focused and committed, making it all feel possible. Remember, each step you take gets you closer to achieving that goal, so keep pushing and tracking your progress consistently. Tip 2. Create a monthly budget. To reach your savings goal, you need to have a solid understanding of where your money is going each month. Creating a budget helps you track your income and expenses, giving you the ability to control your spending. Start by writing down all your monthly expenses, including rent, utilities, food, and transportation. Then, figure out how much money is left over to save. It doesn't matter if you only make $200 a month or $20,000, having a budget is crucial. A budget shows you where to cut back and how much you can allocate towards savings, helping you make smarter financial decisions every month. Take it one step further by reviewing your budget weekly or bi-weekly to ensure you're staying on track and making adjustments as needed. Tip 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. Once your budget is in place, take a close look at where you can cut back. It's time to stop spending on things you don't really need. Are there subscriptions you can cancel? Could you make coffee at home instead of buying it every day? Perhaps you can drive less and take public transportation or walk to work. Small changes can make a big difference. By eliminating unnecessary expenses, you free up more money to put toward your savings goal. It may require some sacrifice, but the more you cut back, the faster you can reach your target. When you make these changes, not only will you be saving money, but you'll also feel a sense of empowerment as you take control of your financial future. Tip 4. Increase your income. Increasing your income is one of the most powerful ways to reach your savings goal faster. If you're on a low income, consider ways to earn extra money. You can take on a part-time job, start a side hustle, or do freelance work in your free time. Another option is to ask for overtime at your current job or look for higher-paying opportunities. The more money you bring in, the more you can save. Even a small increase in your monthly income can make a huge impact on your savings. Think of it as an investment in your future, giving you more resources to work with. Plus, when you take on side gigs or freelance work, you're also building new skills that can help increase your earning potential in the long run. Expanding your income doesn't just make saving easier. It opens up opportunities for better financial stability in the future. Tip 5. Automate your savings. One of the easiest ways to save money is by automating it. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account every time you get paid. This means you don't have to worry about remembering to save or being tempted to spend the money. With automatic transfers, your savings will grow without you even having to think about it. Plus, by doing this, you pay yourself first, making sure your savings come before your spending. It's one of the simplest and most effective ways to ensure you stay on track with your goal. By setting it up automatically, you eliminate the mental struggle of deciding each month, and before you know it, your savings will be growing without effort on your part. When savings become automatic, they feel effortless, giving you peace of mind that you are moving closer to your financial goals without any stress. Tip 6. Embrace frugality. Saving money requires discipline, and one of the best ways to achieve that is by embracing a frugal lifestyle. This means spending less and being more mindful of your purchases. It's not about depriving yourself, but about making smarter choices. For example, you can buy secondhand items, use coupons, and cook at home instead of eating out. Being frugal doesn't mean sacrificing happiness. It's about finding joy in the little things. Living within your means and making intentional choices will help you save money faster. The more frugal you become, the more money you'll have to put toward your goal. Embracing frugality allows you to make room for the things that truly matter, like reaching your savings goal and securing your financial future. Instead of focusing on scarcity, focus on how much you can accomplish with the resources you already have, and you'll discover the true power of financial independence. Tip 7. Avoid going into debt. One of the biggest obstacles to saving money is going into debt. If you're trying to save money quickly, it's essential to avoid accumulating more debt. Try to pay with cash instead of using credit cards and avoid taking out loans or borrowing money. When you're debt-free, all of your income can go directly into your savings, allowing you to reach your goal faster. Debt payments can drain your resources, making it harder to save. So, commit to avoiding debt and focus on building your savings instead. This will put you in a stronger financial position in the long run. The less you have to pay towards high-interest debt, the more you can keep for yourself, which accelerates your savings journey. By choosing to live debt-free, you're creating more financial freedom to use your money for what really matters to you. Tip 8. Use windfalls to boost your savings. If you receive any unexpected windfalls, such as a tax refund, a bonus at work, or even a gift from a friend, don't spend it on something unnecessary. Instead, use that extra money to boost your savings. Windfalls are a great opportunity to speed up your progress without affecting your regular budget. If you can treat these unexpected sums as bonus contributions to your savings goal, this will help you get to your target much quicker. Remember, every little bit counts, and using these windfalls wisely can make a huge difference in reaching your goal faster. Think of windfalls as a gift from your future self, a chance to move closer to financial freedom without having to dig deeper into your regular income. By being intentional with windfalls, you're giving yourself the financial boost you need to achieve your dreams. Tip 9. Find cheap or free entertainment. Saving money doesn't mean you have to give up all fun and entertainment. Instead, find ways to enjoy yourself without spending a lot of money. Look for free community events, borrow books from the library, or take nature walks to clear your mind. You can even have fun cooking your favorite meals at home instead of dining out. When you're saving for something big, it's important to keep your spirits up. You don't need to spend money to have a good time. There are plenty of low-cost options that will keep you entertained while you focus on your savings goal. This also allows you to enjoy your life now while staying committed to your future financial success. Remember, the joy you get from simple pleasures is just as rewarding as expensive outings, and it will keep you motivated during your savings journey. Tip 10. Regularly review your progress. As you work toward your savings goal, it's important to regularly review your progress. Check in with your budget each month to see if you're on track. If you're falling behind, adjust your budget or find new ways to increase your income. Stay laser-focused on your goal, and remember why you started this journey in the first place. Celebrate the small wins along the way, and keep pushing forward. With persistence and focus, you'll reach your savings target in no time. Keep your goal visible. Write it down and place it somewhere you can see it every day to stay motivated. By regularly assessing your progress, you'll be able to stay on course and continue making the best financial decisions. Saving money on a low income may seem tough, but with these tips, you can make it happen. Every small step you take gets you closer to your goal. Stay disciplined, be creative, and focus on your end goal, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Scale Smarter YouTube channel for more money-saving advice. Also, drop a comment below and let us know which tip you found most interesting and plan to try first. See you in the next video.